G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and I'm back here at Red Bull Ampol Racing with Brayden, and what I'm going to show Brayden now is the Wurth Twist Ratchet. It's new to Wurth, and this is it. So this is a 1/2 inch one. It comes in a 1/2 inch, 3/8 and 1/4. So it's a normal ratchet that you put on, Brayden, you know, your normal ratchet, no problem.
Run of the mill ratchet, yep.
You know, left hand, right hand. It's got a lockable pin here to lock the socket on, which is fantastic, so the socket doesn't fall off. But what makes it a twist ratchet is this is really fantastic for in tight situations where you can't swing the ratchet. Okay, so you'll crack the nut or the bolt, whatever I'm doing, but then what we can do is we can twist the handle. And we'll get the camera to come in a minute and zoom in on here, but you'll see when I twist the handle.
Yeah, right.
So I can twist it in one direction and it'll turn. I can go back and forth. It'll still turn in the same direction until I turn the ratchet to the other way, and then it goes the other way. So there you go. What do you think of that? Fantastic.
It looks awesome, especially for tight spaces. I know on the race cars, a lot of tight spaces down in the engine bay when you're working away. So I think, first of all, being able to lock the socket on and not losing the socket is a great start.
Yeah,
absolutely. Yeah. But yeah, being able to turn the handle as opposed to turning the whole ratchet to be able to undo or do up any bolts is fantastic. So, and the fact that it's direct drive as well, that it doesn't slip at all. Yeah,
correct.
It's fantastic, yeah.
The direct drive function with the handle is fantastic. You know, sometimes you get to that point where the ratchet won't click to the next tooth and it's sort of flopping back and forth. Well, here, you can just direct run it off.
Perfect.
So there you go. Look, I hope it's something you guys can use in the workshop here. The Wurth Twist Ratchet. Check it out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And the Wurth Twist Ratchets, they're ready for work.